Welcome back to Retro City Fridge Wars, and I'm here to investigate Garvey's fridge. So, like all other fridges, he's got a nice pack with one ice cube. It's useful if you're ever cold for one drink. And looks like to be an icicle. Broke it. And then that's his freezer with a sticker, by the way. Looks to be a restaurant of some sorts. Probably they deliver, I think. And then let's start here. Well, we've got protein blender shake thing. One. Another one. This one looks to be amped up, you could say. And just a water with his name. Well, whoa, that's not even his name. It's a man named Rayburn.
So that's my old roommates, he left it here.
And there's a bag here. Hard to do this with one hand. I guess he was saving this for a day that he was hungry. I guess that's why you have a fridge.
I put that in there when I was drunk.
Nonetheless, he's got $1.
It's $2.
I gotta check $2 and a nickel. That's his whole fridge. So thank you for watching.